Module Overview. Typography is more than just a design choice, it's a language of emotion, tone, and trust. When someone sees a brand's typeface, they don't just read the words, they feel something. Fonts speak without saying a word. In this module, we'll explore how fonts influence human perception and emotional response, how they help craft visual identities, and how choosing the right typography can make or break brand credibility. We will dissect the psychology behind different font categories, study iconic branding examples, and develop the expertise to choose fonts that align with a company's values, industry, and target audience. 1. Understanding font psychology. Font psychology is the study of how typefaces influence emotion and perception. Every font style evokes certain subconscious feelings in the viewer. A. Emotional impact of font styles. 1. Font category 2. Common traits. 3. Emotional brand associations, serif. Traditional, classic, reliable professionalism, heritage, authority. Sans serif, clean. Modern, minimal innovation, simplicity. Trust, script, elegant, flowing, personal creativity, romance, sophistication. Slab serif, bold. Strong, commanding confidence, power, decisiveness. Display, decorative, unique. Attention-grabbing creativity, fun, trendiness. Monospaced, equal width letters. Tech, coding, structure, uniformity. 2. Typography as the voice of a brand. Just as a brand has a tone of voice in its messaging, typography visually expresses that tone. For instance, a law firm might choose a refined serif font to express credibility. A tech startup may prefer a sleek sans serif for a modern look. A wedding planner might lean toward elegant script fonts for romance. A gaming company may select bold, custom display fonts for energy. Key principles: fonts must reflect brand personality. Typography must remain consistent across all platforms, logo, website, print. Avoid mixing fonts that clash emotionally, e.g., playful Comic Sans with a luxury brand. 3. Typeface. Selection and industry alignment. Different industries favor certain font types based on the nature of their audience. 1. Industry 2. Common font choices. 3. Reason finance. Serif, sans serif stability, trust fashion script, modern serif elegance, style text sans serif. Monospaced clean, modern, data-oriented healthcare rounded sans serif. Calm, approachable education serif, sans serif readability, authority. 4. Typography and target audience perception. Your audience's age, gender, lifestyle, and culture affect how they interpret typefaces. Young audiences lean toward bold, trendy, playful fonts. Professional audiences favor clean, formal typefaces. Older readers require more legible, higher contrast fonts. Cultural nuances also play a part. For example, in Asia, brush script fonts may evoke heritage. In Western contexts, Gothic or black-letter fonts suggest old-world tradition or rebellion. 5. Logo typography and brand recognition. Many of the world's most recognizable logos rely entirely on typography, often without symbols. Examples: Google, clean, friendly sans serif Coca-Cola, elegant script, classic emotional, Vogue. High contrast serif, luxury, timeless. FedEx, geometric sans serif, precision, efficiency. Great logo typography is scalable and legible, unique and ownable, reflective of the brand's core message. 6. Pairing fonts to build brand systems. Strong brands often use 2 to 3 typefaces, one for headlines, one for body text, possibly a third for accents or highlights. Pairing involves contrast, serif plus sans serif, harmony, similar X height or stroke width, hierarchy, clearly defined use cases. Pro tip: use type pairings that work well together but don't visually compete. 7. Case studies, brands and their typography. Let's review a few real-life examples. Apple uses San Francisco, a clean sans serif, reinforcing simplicity and modernity. Tiffany and Company uses Garamond-inspired serif fonts, evoking timeless elegance. Netflix, custom Netflix. Sans, bold and confident, designed for screens. Disney, iconic script evokes fantasy and nostalgia. Each font was chosen strategically, not randomly, to mirror the brand's emotional message. 8. Creating a typography brand guide. A brand guide defines primary and secondary fonts, font sizes, colors, spacing, use cases, headlines, captions, buttons, do's and don'ts. Consistency across materials builds trust and brand memory.